Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making curly fries. You will need 2 russet potatoes, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and vegetable oil for frying. To a large bowl, add your flour, paprika, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Now whisk until well combined. Now add the water to the dry ingredients and mix well. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Using a spiralizer, prepare your potatoes. If you don't have a mixer with an attachment, you can always use a hand spiralizer. I have provided a link for both in the description below. Rinse your potatoes with cold water, then dry them and place them on a wire rack. Now place your potatoes in the batter and coat them evenly. Add your oil to a deep fryer or large pot, then bring your oil to 375 degrees. Fry your potatoes in small batches for 4 minutes or until they are crispy. After 4 minutes, remove your fries from the oil, sprinkle them with sea salt, and then they are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made